In this video, I will give you some answers to this question: how can a beginner earn passive income? Please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified straight away as soon as I upload new content. Thank you very much. Let's get started. If you would like me to create any videos for you on any given topics, tell me in the comments below the video. Although it gets touted as easy money, most successful passive income ideas are the result of hard work, building an audience, optimizing paid ads, and delivering a great experience and a superior product. However, as a current or aspiring business owner, you're not afraid to put in the time to do all of those things, and you might already have all three checked off your list. Adding passive income streams to your life can give you more freedom, flexibility, and money. Let's first take a look at this question: what is passive income? Passive income, or unearned income as it's classified by the Internal Revenue Service, is defined as income that requires minimal work to generate and maintain, coming from somewhere other than a traditional employer. Passive income streams can come from investing in mutual funds or real estate, selling products online, publishing online courses, or other side hustles in which the earner doesn't have to actively participate. Unlike active income, passive income is often generated automatically, providing residual income with minimal time and effort. It can improve your personal finances and give you the freedom of time. Not having to trade your time for money can reduce stress and anxiety, and additional cash flow can make you feel more confident about your financial future. Whether you're a service provider trying to stop selling dollars for hours or a product business looking to add income sources that don't involve the logistics of sending out physical products. Let's take a look at some passive income ideas to help you earn money. Number 1. Start a drop shipping store. Dropshipping is one of the best passive income ideas to earn money from wherever you are, even if you don't have a lot of cash flow to begin with. Some dropshippers report making upward of $100,000 per year. Dropshipping is not a get-rich-quick scheme, however, as it takes some upfront investment of time in order to generate income. The dropshipping business model involves creating an e-commerce store where customers browse and buy products. What's interesting about dropshipping is that you don't have to see or physically manage the products you sell. With dropshipping, your supplier handles everything from manufacturing to packaging to fulfillment. And since you don't need to send money to your supplier until your customers pay, this passive income business has limited cash risk. Another risk you get to avoid is the one that comes with investing in a product that doesn't have a market. You can use a platform like the DSERs to find trending products in different niches to sell in your store. Depending on the product you choose and your pricing, you can earn solid passive income and learn how to run an e-commerce business. Number 2. Create a print-on-demand store. If you're an artist, designer, or entrepreneur, print-on-demand can be a profitable passive income stream and monetize your creativity. It involves working with suppliers to customize white label products like t-shirts, posters, backpacks, or books, and selling them on a per order basis. Similar to dropshipping, you only pay for the product after you sell it. There's no buying in bulk or inventory needed. Print-on-demand stores are a good passive income stream because you can create products quickly and put them up for sale in minutes. Shipping and fulfillment is taken care of by your supplier. Once your store is set up, you can automate many marketing and sales processes. With a print-on-demand company like Printful, you can easily create products to sell in your Shopify store quickly. Overall, print-on-demand is a simple, low-risk passive income source you can get up and running fast. Number 3. Sell digital products. Digital products are assets of pieces of media consumers can't touch physically. These include downloadable or streamable files such as Kindle books, templates, plugins, or PDFs. Digital products are great passive income sources because they have high profit margins. You only have to make the asset once and you can sell it repeatedly via your online business. There's no storage or inventory needed. You can sell as many digital products as you want. Many creators scale passive income from digital assets by selling kits, printables, files, and other materials professionals can use. UX Kits, for example, sells personas, flowcharts, and wireframes to assist the design process. The brand has sold its products to more than 10,000 customers in over 100 countries and continues to sell these lucrative products online today, demonstrating the potential of this passive income strategy. Number 4. Teach online courses. It's easier than ever for educators to sell courses online. Whether it's marketing, illustration, or entrepreneurship, you can create pre-recorded courses and start selling with few limitations. Similar to digital products, you can sell online courses repeatedly without holding any inventory or stock, generating passive income. Teaching online requires some upfront investment in time. You'll need to outline your course, record it, and create downloadable assets like templates for students to walk away with. Take Yigi Saran, founder of Yigi Beauty, for example. After creating an online beauty brand selling eyelash extension products, she created an educational branch called Yigi Academy. Her lash classes help entrepreneurs around the world jumpstart their beauty careers, offering both online and on-site training. Because your online course is recorded ahead of time, you can shorten, lengthen, or edit it to apply to a broad range of class sizes and experience levels, expanding your passive income streams. You can create fully downloadable courses that students can finish at their own pace, or use software to automatically release lectures and materials at regular intervals. Whichever way you look at it, teaching an online course is a great way to generate passive income at a low startup cost, other than investment of time. Number 5. Become a blogger. Starting a blog can be a challenging venture, but the blogging business model is only becoming more successful as a passive income stream. You don't need to be an internet celebrity anymore to earn money online. All you have to do is find your people on 1 or 2 platforms, then send them to your website. It takes a little bit of time to build a blog. But if you create quality content and promote it through your platforms, you'll build an audience big enough to generate a significant income stream. You could earn passive income from blogging by selling affiliate products, creating sponsored posts, selling your own products, or running ads through Google AdSense. The best part, you don't need any design or coding skills to start a blog. With a content management system and hosting service like Shopify, you can get a blog up and running in no time. You'll need to invest time into creating an SEO marketing strategy and producing and promoting the content, but know that your efforts will be rewarded. The return on these passive income investments can be upward of $30,000 per month, depending on how you monetize your blog. Number 6. Sell handmade goods. There's never been a better time to sell stuff online. With over 4.6 billion people connected to the internet, the opportunity to build and scale an online business is massive. There are hundreds of online sites you can sell on. Some have specific niches like video games or handcrafted goods, while others let you sell whatever you want. Some popular online selling sites include your own online store, Handshake, Amazon, eBay, Ruby Lane, and AliExpress. The upfront investment is twofold. You'll need to invest in materials and time to make and sell DIY goods like pottery or clothing. You'll also want to create an online store to house your products. Selling from your own store reduces the amount of fees you pay on each sale. Plus, you can create a brand for yourself. The benefits of building a brand compound over time as you grow an audience and connect with more customers. It will help you sell more over time and make money online. Number 7. Run an affiliate marketing business. Affiliate marketing involves recommending a product or service to an audience. It's a great source of passive income because you earn a commission whenever someone uses your referral link to buy the recommended product or service. It's also a growing industry. Statista estimates that the affiliate marketing industry will reach 8.2 billion by 2022. Online entrepreneurs become affiliate marketers for a few key reasons. It's easy to execute. You just handle the marketing side of things. The brand will develop products and fulfill orders. It's low risk. There's no cost to join an affiliate program. You can sell established profits without any upfront financial investment. You'll have to invest time in creating traffic sources so more people click on your links. Once that's set up, you can earn relatively passive income through commissions. It's highly scalable. Affiliate marketers typically don't hire extra help. You can introduce new products to an audience and create campaigns while your past work makes money in the background. Earning money with affiliate marketing can be a rewarding way to add new revenue streams to your business. All it costs is your time. Once the hours are invested, you can reap the rewards continually. Number 8. Sell stock photos online. Unlike many of the other passive income ideas in this video, photography is a service-based business, which typically means you get paid for your time. You must be at an event or photo shoot to make money with photography, which, even if you're making a killing, can be tiring after a while. However, if you're a full-time photographer or you own a good camera, you can generate passive income from photography by selling photos online. Stock photo sites like Pexels, Shutterstock, and other online media houses will pay for high-quality photos and videos. There's no inventory to keep around the house besides your camera and laptop. These websites do the marketing for you, so once you load your photos onto the platform, getting your work out there and selling it is done for you. If you run your photography business on Shopify, you can also easily tie in digital products like prints or print-on-demand products like shirts and hats, giving you even more passive income streams so you can work less and make more. Now, if you really want to know how to start and run an online business, then go and click the link in the description box under the video now and go to our partner website, internetbusinessschool.co.uk, the UK's leading internet marketing training company. I recommend you have a look at the online training courses available. They have courses for everyone from complete beginner to online expert. There is a course there that will suit you. It is a fantastic resource which is going to give you the training, the skills and the knowledge you'll need to launch a successful business from start to finish and put you ahead of the competition. Please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified straight away as soon as I upload new content. Thank you very much. Please remember to connect on Facebook. I have put the Facebook page link in the description box below this video. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.